hmm Hi guys, I'm back again. Assalamu alaikum. Alright, let's see. Everything looks fine again, and the 3D is disappearing. Let's see. Yeah. So yeah. Yeah. Alright. I think as you're listening to me right now. So I was saying, um, today we're gonna talk about how I become a programmer. Right now, I'm a front end programmer. How I pick up this decision to be, or how I decide to be a front end developer, not a back end developer, and why and what is the difference between those those two paths or stack, right? And also, we're gonna talk about programming stacks. So, like, there's many programming stack or development stack, program development stack, like front end, back end. We're gonna discuss about all this, guys. All right. So, the first thing we should discuss about is what is a programmer. We should know first what does it mean to be a programmer. And a programmer actually is a, if we want to define a programmer, it's is a person who understand the problem, right? Okay, and solve it in a way you don't understand. Okay, I think it's that. Let me see. Oh, I'm sorry. A programmer is a person who understand or who solve or who find a problem you don't know you have and solve it in a way you don't understand. Yeah, this is actually the definition. So a programmer is a person who find a problem you don't know you have and solve it in a way you don't understand. All right, that's actually a programmer. What a programmer means to be a programmer means. So you find a problem, you solve the problem, and that's it. That's our job actually or that's what we do in our daily life. So we solve programming, or actually we come with a better ideas to solve problems. That's actually a programmer. And when and my point here is that there are many differences. That's actually like the generic things, or actually that or it's like the top level things that should every programmer have, the thing that should every programmer do. But there are many people that doesn't do that. Even they call themselves programmers, but they are not actually programmers, right? They call themselves programmers, but they're not actually programmers. So the question here is, what is the difference between a programmer, a good programmer actually, and a programmer, just a person who call himself a programmer. So a programmer has many like things that should have, and those things are are professional, Yeah. So we're gonna discuss about it. Just listen to me, and you're gonna understand everything. Let me just say I'm facing a problem right now. Check my computer doesn't read like USB drive. I don't know why actually. Let's see. Okay. Let me just do this and then deal with what we have here. My God, it's not showing again. The problem that I have right now is like I'm plugging the USB, but it's not showing. It's actually there. If you go to device to disk management, you will see that there is a disk flash drive, right? There is a flash drive, and there is a flash drive, but there are like it's not working. Let me say, I believe the live is stopped. Let me just do this and then deal with what is actually there. If you go to device to disk management, you will see that there is a disk flash drive, right? There is a alright flash drive, and okay, that's good. So everything is fine. So I was saying, actually, a programmer to be a programmer is not easy. You should work on yourself. You should invest in yourself. Like, what I mean by invest is like buy courses and like buy online courses, boot camp, just for learning. Yeah, that's actually what we did. So me and my friends, we actually we was like we've been like sharing boot camps and then buying a boot camp like for $15. Yeah, a boot camp for $15. That's actually crazy, but yeah, that's true. So just for learning, just for understanding. Like for example, I was actually, if I remember it, the first boot camp or the first yeah course that we bought is actually it's actually not in English. It's in Darija. It's in Arabic Darija, and then it's about, let me see. Yeah, it's about JavaScript, and it was very like useful for us because there are many projects and there are many practice, right, and we didn't face any problem of like language because that person who like explained the course is speaking, he was speaking like he was speaking our native language, right, which is Darija, so we didn't face any problem. So yeah, that was the first course we buy, and like the second one is also the same person, and I believe it's React.js. Yeah, and yeah, it's React.js. Even we didn't complete it because we got an opportunity to work, and yeah, he just give us like the basic things, and that we didn't have that at that time we didn't have like time to complete the boot camp, and then we were just like watching videos in YouTube, and we're gonna actually like talk about YouTube. Is YouTube very useful for beginners? Is YouTube enough to be a programmer? We're gonna discuss about that topic, right? So and that was actually the two course that I we bought, me and my friends in the past. And like that was the second one, and the third one is PHP. Even I did not like study it. I did not study it. And then like the third one, which is the most powerful one, which is Node.js. Like I was actually excited. I was very excited to complete this, but like in the job, the opportunity that we got, they're not working in the project that we want to create it. They're not using like Node.js. They're using Java for backend develop for backend, and we didn't have the opportunity to use Node.js. Right? Yeah, that's actually the path that we had in the past. Uh, but yeah, even we didn't like finish the Node.js, or we went into creating a Node.js project, but it's okay. It's okay. The next opportunity, maybe we'll get another project that will be working with Node.js, right? And then we go back in the bootcamp and ready, and then actually watch the videos again. And the bootcamp actually is a Node.js and Express.js and MongoDB. It's like you can say it's mere but without React, right? And just like those three technology, MongoDB for like it's a NoSQL database, and Node.js, which is JavaScript backend framework, and also Express.js, which is a Node.js framework. It's just facilitating Node.js rather than all that things, right? Okay, that's actually the path that I had. Okay, so yeah, so let's talk now about tutorial. Is YouTube tutorials enough to be programmer? Yeah, we can see it's enough, but like they're not. Uh, we can see like as a beginner, is not a good idea to like start with a course in YouTube. Instead of doing that, you can pick a boot camp or a course with like 5, 6, 7 hours, and then step by step you will learn. But in YouTube, you can watch this video. It's like it's 1 hour. He's talking, for example, about C, and then in the sidebar you will see another video. He's talking about C with practice, but he's practicing, and then you jump from that tutorial to the other tutorial, and yeah, and that things we call it tutorial hell, right? YouTube tutorial hell, and that's not a good idea, because you will be frustrated. You will be like you will not like programming. You would say no, programming is hard, and there are not resources about programming. Yeah, but the fault, actually the problem was in you, because you didn't have much information about programming, you didn't have much experience, there is no one to guide you, like take that path and take that path. Yeah, and you just jump from that tutorial to the other tutorial, and that's not a good idea, and you will learn nothing about programming. All right, that's actually like one thing. All right. Okay. Let me just guys show you like the best um the best programming, the best the best I believe the best let me see the best channel to programming, the best channel to actually to learn programming, sorry, to learn programming. So the first one is okay, let me first just set up this and then I'm gonna share with you the screen. All right, let me just uh, share with you guys. Still live, right? Okay. Let me guys share with you the screen and cancel. Let me add another one. Windows capture that one. It's pick YouTube automatically capture customer. All right. Uh, so, for example, if you type React.js, you will see that programming with Mosh, and let's just watch it together and see how it looks like. Let's see first. Let's see if everything's all fine. And then we should I continue. So, for example, if you type React.js, you will see that programming with Mosh, and let's just watch it together and see how it looks like. Let's see. Let's see first.
It's you first. Let's see what if everything's all fine. And then we should continue. So for example, if you type React.js, you will see that programming with Mesh. And let's just watch it together and see what it looks like.
Let's wait.
Let's see. It's you first.
Alright, so let's record the video.